everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Would you like to know how to make authentic satay chicken at home? Satay chicken is one of the popular street food in Southeast Asia, especially in Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand and Indonesia. So we have here in front of us 1 kilo of chicken breast. You can use chicken breast or chicken thighs, but I prefer the chicken breast. So we use the chicken breast, cut it into 6 to 8 centimeter size. Then for the sauce to marinate the chicken, we have here in front of us 2 stalks of the lemongrass chopped up, 1 thumb size of ginger chopped, 1 onion chopped, 4 cloves of garlic chopped up, and then we have here 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, about 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of this fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of the dark soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So we're going to blend this marinade and marinate the chicken. And then for garnishing, we have here cucumber and onion and peanut sauce. This peanut sauce is a homemade satay peanut sauce. Please refer to my previous video how to make this. And then we have the bamboo skewers for barbecuing the chicken. So let's get started. Okay, so now we're going to blend the ingredient for the marinade in the blender. So if you have a blender, put everything in, or a food processor. So we're going to put in all the ingredients. Onion, there's the ginger, the lemongrass and the garlic. And then we're going to add in the brown sugar, the turmeric powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. If you want it spicy, you can add in a teaspoon of chili powder. And then we add in all the sauce, the fish sauce, the dark soy sauce and the vegetable oil. So now the marinade is all been blended and it's all ready. So now we're going to add the marinade that we have blended into the chicken breast and mix it well. Just gonna cover it with plastic wrap and leave it to marinate in the fridge for about 4 hours. Or if you want to, you can leave it overnight as well. So the more time you let the marinade sit, the tastier the chicken will be. So minimum about 4 hours. Just an hour before the marinade is finished marinating, we're going to soak the bamboo skewers in the box of cold water so that the bamboo stick will not get burned when we grill the chicken. So just put it in and just let it soak for at least an hour. Now the chicken satay marinade is all ready now. So just gonna give it a stir and we're gonna put it through the skewer all ready to grill. So we can either grill it in an outdoor barbecue, or if you don't have an outdoor barbecue, we can grill or bake them in oven at 180 degrees and turn them every 10 minutes. The bamboo stick is also ready, so we're just gonna take it out and drain the water out. So now we're just gonna put the chicken through the skewer. Just take the chicken and just push them through. So now the satay chicken is all ready in the skewer and ready to be barbecued. We're going to use the grill on the outdoor. So firstly, we're going to heat up the grill. We're using the outdoor barbecue grill to cook this satay chicken. If you don't have an outdoor barbecue grill, you can use an oven, either bake or grill in the oven at 200 degrees and for 10 to 15 minutes, but make sure you turn the skewers every 5 minutes. So now we are going to put oil on the barbecue grill. spread the oil on the grill. So make sure you line the grill too with baking paper so that it's easier for cleaning the grill later on. So now the grill is heated up, we're just going to put the Satay Chicken Skewer on the top. So we're going to cover the lid now and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to flip it over. So we just reduce the heat on the grill on low, and we're going to keep turning them so that we not overcook the chicken. Depending on the thickness of your meat, some might need more and some don't. So make sure you baste it with the olive oil. We're using olive oil for the grill. So baste it with some oil and turn over. We are going to check on the satay chicken again. Some ends of the grill is hotter than the other end, so we're going to swap the chicken satay around. Some of the skewer we're going to move it down to the other end and keep turning them until it's cooked. But make sure you check on them so that we're not overcooking the meat, otherwise it will dry. We make it moist and tender. So just keep turning it until it's cooked. So now the grill is getting quite hot, but I just want to make sure the chicken satay is cooked really well. We're just going to baste again with olive oil and turn them over. So every minute just check on them. It will probably take about 3 to 5 minutes to cook them, depending on how hot your grill is and how thick your meat is. So now the chicken satay is nearly done. We're just checking on them, and once they are ready, just move them to the dish to keep hot while cooking the rest of them. We're going to carry on cooking this until it's all done. So now the satay chicken is all cooked. We have the last few sticks to cook, and there we go. Nice, lovely sticks. Now we can serve. So here's our chicken satay, served with the homemade satay peanut sauce. Please refer to my previous video on satay peanut sauce, and you can serve with cucumber and onion. I hope you enjoyed today's cooking, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and look forward to see you again next time.